These products are essential oil bottles produced by our company. Different colors can be created by spraying. We have the essential oil bottle of various shapes. Spraying essential oil bottles can be more effective than tan glass to avoid light. Elegant and beautiful shape creativity. Our product has a glossy appearance. A high-end atmosphere, and a good feeling to use. We have a lot of relevant case experience. Choose us as a partner. We will provide you with quality services and products.